In this video, we will see how to repair .NET Framework components using Microsoft .NET Framework Repair tool on Windows 11 and Windows 10. First, you will have to download .NET Framework Repair tool, and to do so, open your browser and here in search field type download .NET Framework Repair tool. And press enter. Open first result under Microsoft Framework Repair tool. Click on it. A new page will open. Here scroll down and you will find a download link, Microsoft.NET Framework Repair tool. Click on download. Save this setup file. We will save it in desktop. Click on save and wait. It's open net repair tool.exe file. Click on it. A pop-up window will open. Click on yes and extracting files. Make the check against I have read, accept and license terms and click on next. Please wait while your computer may restore the installation issues you have encountered. To apply these changes, choose next. Applying changes. Wait, and the tool has made changes to your computer to address .NET framework installation problems. Click on finish, either finish or next. If you choose next, it will search for another additional information. After that, close the windows. Now click on finish to close the tool. And now if you want to repair .NET framework afresh, open its downloaded folder and follow on screen instruction to complete the process. That's all.